And here is our factory. Shiny, right? Here we strive on a daily basis to manufacture high-quality products, ink, paper, and machines to provide you with the best technology available, enabling you to print some pretty awesome stuff. At Leaf, we offer 2 types of printing solutions. Come check it out. Sublimation, a technology we've mastered over the last 25 years to offer a fast and precise printing solution. Yes, a solution. For not only do we offer a high-quality machine, we offer the right ink and the right paper, as well as a 24/7 after-sales service. Yes, I know it's impressive, but there's even more impressive. DTF. I know it's not what you think it is. Direct-to-film printing, the latest technology revolutionizing the printing industry. It's fast, it's easy, and it can be used on a wide range of materials. All you need is Leaf and 10 square meters to start printing your fashion ideas. Thanks to all this amazing technology, we can print any design on any material. T-shirts, jeans, shoes, swimming costumes, hats, mugs, plates, posters, your cats. We do it all. You tell us what material you want, what design you have in mind, and we start printing. If you can think it, we can print it. Right, Ray? I'll say it again because it sounds good. If you can think it, we can print it. Hippies, surfers, women's casual wear, rockers, sportswear, and menswear, of course. And don't know what this is, but we can do it. We are Leaf.